Hello friends, welcome to Sarika's Art Fundas. Today we are going to learn peacock in collage work. Peacock we can see everywhere. Here behind me one glass painting is there of peacock. On my sari peacock is there, accessories peacock is there, necklace, earrings, bangles. Many designs are there of peacock. We can use peacock in many designs. Let us do the beautiful collage work of peacock. I am going to teach you collage work in a very easy method. First we are going to draw a peacock on white color paper. This is the neck of the peacock, feathers, and this is the behind feathers, legs. We have done basic shape of peacock. We are going to do the crown also in easy method. Now each and every part we are going to cut. All the parts we are going to cut. This neck, wings, feathers, legs, crown and beak. And then I will explain you what to do afterward. Each and every part of the peacock we are going to cut separately like this. For tracing purpose we are cutting it. All the cut parts, whatever parts we have cut, you will keep it, that pencil line will be above. Now all the parts are separated with cutting. Now one method we are going to follow. Different color marble paper or glaze paper we are going to take. On white side of that paper, this part we will lift one part, and that part reverse side ulta rakhenge, and then we will trace it. When we are keeping the pencil side down, color side of that marble paper will come up perfectly. This is the tracing. Because on the color side we can't trace properly, that color is very dark. Now we are cutting the portion of the neck on blue paper. Like this, all the parts we are going to cut and then assemble on different paper. Now with different colors, pleasant colors of marble papers, we have created this beautiful peacock. Now we are going to assemble it on different paper. Now on this white cartridge paper, we are going to cut and paste green color paper in the grass, silver in the sky, and one golden big circle I am going to cut as a sun, and this all we are going to assemble here for the background of peacock. Now I have drew grass in the 1/4 part of the green paper. Now we are going to cut on these lines for our grass part. Now our collage background of peacock is ready. We are going to assemble the peacock on this background and stick with Fevicol one part. Now just we have arranged all the parts of the peacock on this background and let us stick it. Now at the back side of the part we are going to apply the Fevicol in the edges and some part in the middle to avoid the bubbles. and then like this we are going to stick. Same way we are going to stick all the parts. Friends, now I am having some craft articles, decorative articles in my house. As per our choice and availability, we are going to use the craft articles and decorate this peacock. Now friends, our collage work peacock is ready with the decoration. And there is something exciting thing for you I want to show. See here friends, so many collage work peacocks done by my students. As I am giving you demo, I am giving to them also. And so nicely they are doing their work. Friends, do like this interesting collage works at home. If you like my teaching, subscribe my channel, press bell icon and share my videos. Thank you.